my expensive, gorgeous, sleek piece of automotive art. I bought it with my own money. Not sponsored, not inherited, no sugar mummy. Just me and my love for fancy, shiny things. And let me tell you, this car is classy. The look? Classy. The interior? Classy. The design? Even the charging port winks at me. And now you're looking at a Tesla screen integrated with Android Auto. Wait, what? That's Android Auto. On a Tesla. Yes. You're seeing this right. No, Elon didn't have a sudden change of heart. This is my little hack. Now, my family can control maps, music, and YouTube, all from the back seat. No more neck craning, no more yelling, tap the nav button. I've basically turned my Tesla into a family tech spaceship. Yes, originally, Tesla does not allow access to CarPlay or Android Auto, but I Googled how to add Android Auto to Tesla, landed on this website called androidautohacks.com. Sketchy name, maybe. Helpful, 100%. So yeah, with a small gadget named T2C, Android Auto can work on a Tesla. All it takes is one little gadget and some mildly suspicious Google searches. If you want the link or a full install walkthrough, check them in the description below.